Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robin Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. If you're new to my channel or you're a returning viewer, welcome. Thank you so much for spending this afternoon with me to share my crafty adventures. If you haven't already, please take a moment to hit that red subscribe button as well as that little bell icon so that you will always be notified when I upload a new video. Also, please be sure to follow me on Instagram. Quite often I post photos there that don't make it to YouTube. Today I have another design team project for ASC Craft Supplies. This is the final project of the Mintay Vacation series. Over the past 2 weeks I've created several projects, many of which are included in this project. In today's video I have lots of information to share with you, so it's important for you to watch this until the end. We're going to be reviewing this lovely purse. I'm going to be sharing some purse kits that I've made that are available for purchase, and I'm going to be doing a special giveaway. In order to participate, you've got to keep watching till the end of this video. So let's get started. This handbag is a design team project for ASC Craft Supplies. The paper collection that I'm using is Mintay Vacation. This is available also at ASC Craft Supplies. I'll be sure to include all of their information as well as a discount code in the description box below. To make this handbag, I have used a beautiful die set by Tonic Studios. This is the Bluebell Trellis handbag. As you can see, you can make lots of different bags. Let me show you the back of it. You receive several different dies. Here are more samples of handbags that you can make with this die. This is the handbag that I've created, and I absolutely love the way it turned out. Although this is compact, this holds lots of goodies, and I'll show you that in a moment. This bag measures 5.3 inches tall by 8.5 inches wide. On the front, I've embellished it with several pieces of ephemera from the Mintay Vacation collection. We've got these fun sunglasses. I've added in glossy accents. Here is a beautiful floral spray that I made in a previous video. Behind it, I have more die cuts from the collection. In the center, we have this double layered bow with a beautiful yellow rhinestone pearl in the center. On the side, I have added in more of these ephemera pieces. We've got this pink flamingo, this beautiful yellow rose, and I've added in Folk Art Glitterific. Let me show you what that looks like. This is the Folk Art Glitterific. This is hologram. I use this on lots of my flowers. It really adds a nice sparkle to it. Behind the flamingo, we have more die cut pieces. We have palm leaf and flowers. And then this is a sentiment that I've cut from the bottom of the 12 by 12 collection that says Vacation. On the bottom, I've added in these little arrows. Now, this does not come in the die set. I found this piece on Cricut Design Space. I really like the way it adds an ornamental detail to the bag, and then I've finished it off with these pearls. This is side. I've created this little paper tassel. Now, this paper tassel I've created using a digital file by My Scrap Chick. It's called Pretty Paper Tassels, and I just have it attached with a little jump ring. And this is the back of the bag. We've got more palm leaves and flowers. If you look closely at the flowers, you can see a little sheen. I've used my Spectrum Noir glitter ink. Let me show you that. This is what it looks like. It's Spectrum Noir Sparkle Glitter Ink. This piece is one of the chipboard elements. And then we have more of these arrows with pearls. If you look at the top of the handbag, this has a beautiful filigree element to it. And this is created simply by switching out the dies in the handbag set. On the inside of the bag, I have it filled with lots of goodies. So let's take a look. First, I have this beautiful wallet and gift card holder. This is what we made in the previous video. This is nice and slender. On the front, you can see this beautiful floral design. I've adorned this with white pearls, and in the center for the clasp, I have this beautiful rhinestone pearl. This is a back. We've got another flamingo, and that ties in to the flamingo on the front of the bag. This clasp has a magnetic closure. And when we open it up inside, we have a space here for cash, and then on the bottom, there are 3 slots to include a gift card. So I have a Starbucks gift card here, so I could put a card here, here, and in this bottom slot. And this little hole area is where you use your thumb to push out the gift card. So that's the first item. Next, we have this cute little chocolate gift box. This is a flower that we made in a previous video. We've got the little bow and a little rhinestone here. The tag here says sweet. Inside, I have 4 Hershey nuggets that I've wrapped in coordinating paper from the Minte collection. Here we have a lip balm shadow box holder. On the top, we have this handmade flower, a little bow, and then on the bottom, a tag that says just for you. When I slide this out, we've got this shadow box that holds a lip balm. And last but not least, I've included this fun pink rhinestone compact. I think every handbag needs to have a compact. As you can see, there are lots of items that I've included inside this handbag. Now, I have created special kits that will allow you to make this handbag. Let me show you them. In your kit, you'll receive the 2 pieces that make the front and the back of the handbag. To save time, I've already glued on the decorative panels as well as these additional embellishments on the back and the front. I've included the pieces to make the double layered bow. That's this bow right here. And I have also included the pearl rhinestone. I've included 1 assembled lip balm shadow box, and that has a lip balm already inside. And it also comes with a little tag. I've included the pieces to make the candy nugget box. This box right here. So you have the flower, the little tag, as well as the bow. I've included this handmade floral spray. This is a piece right here. I have included a finished tassel as well as 3 beads. You can choose to include the beads as a decorative element if you like or not. I simply just included the tassel here, so you get that. Both kits will include a green rhinestone compact. I'm including this 6x6 cut apart sheet, so you can use that to fussy cut, include embellishments on the front of your bag if you like. And I'm also including a set of additional handmade flowers and bows that are adorned with rhinestones. Also included in the package will be a card, so you'll receive either the slimline card with gift box, and this is what the slimline card looks like. The other package will include this beautiful twist and pop card. Now this will also come with a decorated box just like this. These purse kits will be available for $40 including shipping. If you're interested in one of these packages, please leave a message for me in the description box below and I will let you know if it is available. Please be sure to make your payment within 1 hour. Unfortunately, I will not be able to hold packages. Once again, if you're interested, just leave a message for me in the description box below. In this video, I will not be doing a tutorial because I've already created a separate tutorial, which I will include in the description box below. This tutorial will show you how to make the basic structure of the bag, but it will also give you some fun ideas for how to decorate this bag for Halloween. Let me show you some examples. These are 2 bags that I've created for Halloween. I've just swapped out the paper for some fun and spooky Halloween paper. In the center here, I've got this little rosette and a black butterfly and sentiments that say spooky and boo. I also have this example in orange. It's got black glittered bats. We have this large rosette and this spooky glittery orange spider. and here it says Something Wicked. In the video, there'll also be 2 other examples which will inspire you. In the beginning of this video, I told you that I'd be doing a special giveaway, and this is what I will be giving away. This completed handbag with all of the goodies that you saw inside, as well as this additional embellishment set with bows and flowers. To participate, you must be 18 years or older, a U.S. resident. You must be a visible subscriber to my channel. Well, what does a visible subscriber mean? That means that I can go to your YouTube channel and check your channels to see if you are in fact subscribed to my channel. To make your channel visible, you need to go into your YouTube settings and select Make My Subscriptions Public. The last thing you need to do is in the description box, leave your name, where you live, and what types of crafty videos you'd like to see me create next. That's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas, not only in today's video, but over the last 2 weeks. I love the Mintay collection, and I hope you did too. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I hope to see you enter my giveaway. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.